This 2023 Coachmen Apex 213 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Kerrville, Texas, 78028 and is offered for sale by McClains RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 25 feet 1 inch in length and features sleeps 6, external shower, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, refrigerator, awning, carbon monoxide detector, slide-out, air conditioning, water heater, stovetop burner, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Coachmen Apex 213 is 3,826 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.